Hey everyone, I'm Jay Scotto, a solutions consultant at Copy.ai, and in this video, I'll be walking you through the power of Infobase. Infobase is an awesome way to unlock the power of your files within the Copy.ai platform through chat and workflows. So if you have a file that is, a doc format or PDF format or text format, it's perfect to upload into this platform, and you can use this within your prompts to get way better output. So to start, I'll click Infobase over here. And by clicking Infobase, I can see the files that I've already uploaded. In this case, let's say I'm trying to promote myself as a thought leader in the AI space. And so I just read this awesome research paper on direct preference optimization. And so it is a PDF form. I've downloaded it to my desktop, and now I have to get it into Copy.ai. What I'll start to do is click this top right Add Info button, and I'll just say direct or DPO research paper. You can easily group multiple entries together by adding a tag. Let's say I have a bunch of research papers that I want to theorize how they can collectively be leveraged to create revolutionary thoughts in the space. In this case, I will just say AI research papers, and I'll add the tag, creating that new tag, and then I'll upload the document. So selecting a file to upload, I'll click upload and save. So now that that's processing, we'll wait for that to process, and then we'll use it inside of a chat. Awesome. Now that it's done, we'll come over to chat and click the plus sign to create a new chat. And I can say something like, I am trying to promote myself as a thought leader for digital AI transformation. Recently, I read and really enjoyed a great research paper, DPO research paper on direct preference optimization. And then I can say, using the research paper, generate me a LinkedIn post in the following structure. I can say, attention grabbing intro / hook. I can say short paragraph about the paper. And I can say closing paragraph about reasoning implications for future innovation. Now what the AI is going to do is use the research paper in addition to the prompt that I've given it to compile me a LinkedIn post that I can now post for all my followers to see. As you can see, maybe some modification we have to do, but we're already off to a great start with the awesome benefits of direct preference optimization, and I am on my way to being an AI thought leader. Thanks for watching. We look forward to your feedback. Feel free to leave some comments below.